Hi, I am Revathi. I'm working as assistant professor in SNS College of Engineering in Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science. A distributed database system consists of a loosely coupled sites, that means computers, that shares no physical components and each site is associated with a database system. The software that maintains and manages the working of distributed database is called Distributed Database Management System. The database system that run on each site is independent of each other. The transactions can access a data at one or more sites. Advantages of distributed database system. There is a fast data processing as several sites participate in request processing. Reliability and availability of the system is high. It possesses a reduced operating cost. It is easier to expand the system by adding more sites. It has improved sharing ability and local autonomy. Disadvantages of distributed database. The system becomes more complex to manage and control. The security issue must be carefully managed. The system require deadlock handling during the transaction processing. Otherwise, the entire system may be inconsistent state. There is need of some standardization for processing of distributed database system. Difference between distributed database management system and centralized database management system. In distributed database, the database files are stored at geographically different locations across the network. The data in centralized database, the database is stored at centralized location. In distributed database management system, as data is distributed over the network, it requires time to synchronize data and thus difficult to maintain. A centralized database is easier to maintain and keep updated since all the data are stored in single location. In distributed database, it can have data replication as database is distributed. Hence, there can be some data inconsistency. In centralized database, it has single database system. Hence, there is no data replication. Therefore, there is no data inconsistency. Uses of distributed database management system. A distributed database in DBMS is primarily used to achieve high availability, scalability, and fault tolerance by storing data across multiple geographically dispersed computers. It is allowing for faster processing of large data volumes, especially in applications that require geographically distributed access and resilience against single point of failure. Essentially, it enables data to be accessed and manipulated from different locations simultaneously while maintaining a unified view of the database. Key uses of distributed database: large-scale data processing, handling massive data sets that exceed the capacity of a single server by distributing data across multiple nodes, enabling parallel processing for faster query execution. Global accessibility, providing data access to users located in different geographical regions by storing data locally at their respective locations, minimizing network latency. High availability, ensuring continuous database operations even if one or more nodes fail due to data replication across multiple sites. Scalability, easily expanding the database capacity by adding more nodes to distributed database system as data volumes increases. Data locality, storing data closer to where it is most frequently accessed to improve query performance and reduce network traffic. Specific applications of distributed database, e-commerce platforms, managing large products and handling high volumes of transactions across different geographical regions, social media networks, storing user data, posts and interactions distributed across multiple servers to handle high traffic and user requests. Internet of Things, collecting and processing sensor data from numerous connected devices distributed across different locations. Financial systems, ensuring real-time access to financial data while maintaining data integrity across multiple branches and trading platforms. Scientific computing, analyzing large data sets generated from simulations or experiments distributed across multiple computing clusters. Thank you.